Hello guys, it's been Ashi again. Okay, மங்களகரமா இந்த vlog நம்ம ப்ரொடக்டிவா ஆரம்பிப்போம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பெட்லேயே கிடந்த துணி எல்லாத்தையும் மடிச்சு வைக்கிறது. Let's go have dinner and fill my water bottle and come. Okay, this is my first vlog giving a voiceover randomly. So you please do comment on how is it. Okay. Now இப்போ தெம்பா சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் மடிச்சு வச்ச துணியெல்லாம் எடுத்து வைக்கிறோம். Let's clean my room now. எங்கெல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணாலும் அது கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு. எஸ், அது என்னன்னு தெரியல. இப்போ ஏதாவது உட்காந்து படிக்க முடியலன்னா ஐ சடன்லி கோ அண்ட் க்ளீன் மை ரூம். லைக், டு யூ கைஸ் ஈவன் டூ திஸ்? ஆக்சுவலி environment has a little bit of influence on what you're doing. It really affects your confidence. Confidence இல்ல கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன். ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்களேன். So, okay, now we have come to the last step of room cleaning. So, yes, I can hear you guys telling that there's no difference before and after cleaning, okay? There is difference. So, now we've come to my night routine. I mean, the things that I do before sleep, like doing skincare, brushing my teeth. And if you want a detailed video about this, like explaining why I do these and all, please do comment. அடுத்த நாள் காலை 6 மணி முதல் 7 மணிக்குள் நடந்த விஷயங்கள் இது. அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் மை மார்னிங் ருட்டீன். ஆக்சுவலி நீங்கள் அந்த நாளுக்கு முன்னாள் நைட்டில் என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணுறீங்களோ தட் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்சஸ் அ லாட் ஆன் யுவர் மார்னிங்ஸ். Let's go bath and come. I haven't started to study yet. We have so much exams coming up. படிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கணும். Did I actually start studying after this? After procrastinating the whole day, we decided to head out. Obviously, we needed a little break from the exams. And I'm not actually that kind of person who hangs out, frequently. சீக்கிரம் கிளம்புறது நாங்க தான். Forever yogurt shake, man. All Minakradodis are waiting for the bus. We actually went to the Pothis that's in Nagarkoil. And there they are, my dollies, who takes forever to cross a road. And finally, guess who did it? So Pothis thane, Tunikada thane, there'll be clothes obviously, but then that was my surprise. Look how beautiful everything is looking. I didn't expect this in Pothis, bro. Why didn't anyone bring me here earlier? ஸோ போனதும் போய் சோறு பக்கம் நின்றக்கூடாதுன்ட்டு we just went around the shop, we explored. Some of us already came here, but I was new there. Everything was good until I went for the billing. Billing ஒரு இடத்துல போடணும், பேக்கிங் ஒரு இடத்துல போடணும், டெலிவரி ஒரு இடத்துல போடணும். Why? Just for two scrunchies, ma'am. You can just put the bill and give it in my hand, bro. Oh, that's me. Oh, hi. Look how penny I am. Unrecognizable. People, this is my heaven. How do I explain this feeling of stickers, journaling, and all those stationaries? I just couldn't get my hands off of them. And look at this Chopu Chaman set they had, bro. Kitchen set is a word. Chopu Chaman is an emotion. I feel like talking too much, so if it's annoying, please also mention that in the comments. Pani Puri சாப்பிட போறோம். Some of them are buying desserts and some of them had to buy sweet corn, and yeah, that's teamwork. I felt really good after having a plate of Pani Puri, bro. It was so difficult to find Pani Puri in Nagarkoil. Why? Finishing up with the food, we started to head back to the hostel. Actually, we have to be within the hostel within 6 p.m. So we're done for the day. இதுக்கு மேல போய் ப்ரொடக்டிவா இருப்போமான்னு பார்ப்போம். 2 மணி நேரத்தில் ஒரு கடையை சுத்தி பார்க்கணும்னா எங்கிட்ட தான் இருக்கணும். 2 hours 1/2 an hour travel, 1.5 மணி நேரம் சுத்தி பார்க்கணும். After coming to MBBS, I realized one thing, you'll always have something to study, something to do, something to write, but you must not forget to live your life beyond that. All is well, guys, all is well. வாழ்க்கை எல்லாம் நல்லா தான் போகும். She's so proud that she got her jersey. Both is pretty into this. So we just got takeaways. Presley shares. What is that?
Mud choco pie.
Yeah, mud choco.
இது வந்து New York choco pie.
And this is the chicken pizza. The Presley share was so good. Presley shares or Presley chase. Actually அது என்னன்னா ஒரு ஸ்பாஞ்சி கேக்கை 3 types of milkல வந்து soak பண்ணி எடுப்பாங்க. So that it's like a pudding kind of cake. We're done eating and let's just go wash the face, refresh, come back and study. Peace. I actually started to sit and study. At least I tried. I guess I studied for like 2.5 hours that day, but I was too tired already from all that sutifying. Also, I want to know what you guys want from me, from my videos, study tips, study skills, productivity tips, like how I study, how I'm, my routine, whatever it is, drop in the comments. Yo, last Sunday then neat முடிஞ்சது. Also tell me how you did your exam. See, results என்னவா இருக்கட்டும். You went through the trauma, the hardships, that exam, that itself deserves the appreciation. So I went to study a little bit of physio because I have my forgetting to see the camera here. I'm having my physio practical exam on Wednesday or Thursday, something like that. And there are lots of case sheets to understand and memorize again. So I just came back from doing my night routine, like soaking almonds, raising and brushing my teeth. If you're watching this is your sign to brush your teeth, or else you have to suffer like me doing RCTs and அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் தூங்க போட்டேன் guys. அவ்வளோதான், vlog முடிஞ்சுச்சு. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Miss you guys. See you again in next video.